Hey y'all, this is my birthday get ready with me. I filmed my hair and also my makeup, so make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what y'all want to see in the next video because we lit all 2021. Okay, and it's on period. Don't play with her. She is not one of those. Okay, hair installed by me, y'all. Okay, so I'm gonna flip this back, pull this up right here. Just like that. Make sure I don't got none of my hair stuck to it. Let me clip. I actually want it right there, because if I pull it right here, I do need to pull that back some. Boom. See, this is why you try your wig on before you do some gluing. And y'all see right here how I kind of got some makeup on it. I'm gonna clean it real quick. So what I want to do is I'm going to take some sea breeze and a towel. I'm gonna put it on this towel, just a little, and then I'm also gonna clean the outside of my edges so the glue can stick and last. Make sure you don't touch your cap when you do this, because if you do, it's kind of hard to get up. And I like to clean my ears because I always get glue in my ears when I do the ball cap. That's why I don't normally do it, but yeah, I'm gonna blow dry that. Nice clean. Put the wig back on my head. Now I am going to take these elastic bands because these two, I got a small in the cap and it's still too big. My head is just too little, y'all. I got a little peanut head. I want it right there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to push that back. And I'm going to do it. I do glue mine in sections just because I'm clumsy and I make mistakes. And I want this install to be perfect. So I'm going to take some glue. I'm probably going to do 3 layers. Am I going to do 3? Are you going to do 3? Probably is going to do 3. I don't normally take my finger, but my hands are clean because I just washed my hair before I even started doing this. You want to smooth it out. I'm going to let that dry clear. And so I take my comb and I use my teeth and I do it just like that. Just like that. Just like that. And do the other side. Pull it. Press with my fingers. And just like that. Okay. So I'm gonna take the clips out since, yeah, I'm gonna put all of it up so I can put the elastic band on. I'm gonna take my elastic band and I'm going to tie the edges. So, cut in 3 sections. And right here. Pull it back a little bit because it's not supposed to be there. This is what the front looks like. I still need to go and add some glue, like right there. A little bit like that. Pull back. And I'm gonna add some glue. Whoever needs some. This hole got to be sprayed, and we're gonna spray the hairline and we're gonna tie it down and we're gonna blow dry and let it sit so we can get some more milk. Yeah, the light is looking bright. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Okay. It is so cute. I'm so impressed. extra grip. I really love this primer and the spray to match. I love both. So I'm going to take my Warm Beige Too Faced Multi-Scope Concealer, and I'm going to go right up on my eyes. And I'm going to let this sit while I go and get my contour. Okay, for the rest of my face, like these areas that I didn't do anything to, I want to take my Becca foundation because I'm looking for a matte look today. I want to put that on the back of my hand because this stuff is thick. And with the butt of my sponge, I'm going to put that with. My Fit Me finishing powder in 20. Now I'm going to set my face with the Morphe Continuousness. lip back on. I just had some makeup lip gloss on. It's my lips is chapped. Take my Madeline gloss next. Y'all know the butter gloss, the bone. And I'm gonna go with it to make it nude. Just like that. Just like that. And it's on beef. Don't play with her. Let me know what other videos y'all want to see, okay? Because we lit now. We 24. See y'all.